exams, be it at the entrance level, university level, or even at the school level, can be one of the major causes of stress. Board exams especially are considered to be the most important exams, as the score sheets of these exams are inked for a lifetime. In fact, as per several surveys, these exams have known to left an impactful mark on a student's mental health. While CBSE Board Exams 2021 date sheets have been announced, the students of ICSE Board still await any such announcement. We at India.com bring to you the most helpful exam preparation tips suggested by the experienced teachers and board exam toppers themselves to help you have effective and organized preparations for the upcoming exams. So without proper planning, it's almost impossible to reach your target. Therefore, to make effective preparations for the upcoming board exams, every student must prepare a proper study timetable first and then make a habit to stick to the same. Exercise your brain in a constructive way and do not burden it with a lot of things. Be clear in your mind and do not pressure yourself to cover things that are beyond your reach. Make realistic targets for a day. It is often said that there is no better practice than match practice. Hence, solve one CBSE sample question paper each day, preferably from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in an environment as close to the one you expect at your examination center. Do not only study. Avoid studying for long hours continuously. Instead, take regular intervals every 50 to 60 minutes. These intervals are very important to relax your brain and mind, to retrieve your energy and get ready for the next study session. This also helps to keep your brain focused and alert. Lastly, exercise and meditate, as it helps to improve concentration. Therefore, indulge yourself in activities, go for a walk in the park early before you start studying, or spend some time meditating. So follow these expert tips and concentrate on performing to the best of your abilities while not worrying much about the end results. For more updates on CBSE board exams, follow India.com Education.